week definitely has to be Tata Chem. It's up nearly 40% this week with a 14% gain today itself. So let's talk about what exactly is leading to this up move and what is the value that everyone is seeking in Tata Chem right now. This is our special segment, Value Plus, and Hormaz joins in with the details. Hormaz.
Absolutely unstoppable has been Tata Chemicals over these last few days, and it is the sixth straight day of gains that the stock is witnessing. And during these 6 days, the stock has now hit a record high and is up 43% during these 6 days. Now, what has happened here is that Spark Capital came out with a note on the 4th of March, and they mentioned that a potential listing of Tata Sons, which is the parent of the entire Tata group, that's possible within the next 18 months, and that is because the Reserve Bank of India has classified Tata Sons as an upper layer NBFC. Now, what the mandate states is that an upper layer NBFC has to list within 3 years of being notified by the RBI, and Tata Sons was notified by the RBI in September of 2022. So, a potential listing of Tata Sons is possible by September of 2025, which is within the next 18 months. Now, why is Tata Chemicals surging on the back of this potential listing? Now, there are only 4 companies in the entire Tata group, which is Tata Motors, Tata Power, Indian Hotels, and Tata Chemicals, that have stake in Tata Sons. But what Spark Capital is mentioning is that the only realistic way to get an exposure to this potential value unlocking theme is via Tata Chemicals, and that is because their ownership in Tata Chemicals of Tata Sons almost amounts to 80% of the company's overall market cap. And they are also saying that the intrinsic value of Tata Chemicals is around 11 times of FY25 price to earnings, but their valuations currently have been suppressed because Tata Chemicals before this surge has been an underperformer. It was down 7-8% both in January and in February as well, and that was because of the commodity nature of the soda ash business and potential headwinds that the entire industry is facing due to falls in realizations. So that kept the stock under pressure all this while. Now, what Spark Capital also mentioned that in case the street assigns a 10 to 11 lakh crore valuation to Tata Sons at the time of its listing, this intrinsic valuation of Tata Chemicals can get re-rated if they manage to cash out this investment at or post the IPO. Now, as a result of this surge, Tata Chemicals is now trading at an FY25 price to earnings multiple of 29 times, which is well above its 5-year average, which is around 12.5 times. Now, when you compare it to peers though, most of its peers are trading higher than Tata Chemicals, which include the likes of SRF, Gujarat Fluoro, which are trading at around 38 to 40 times, and Deepak Nitrite, which is also trading at around the same levels of 39 times. So, stock of the week, as you mentioned, Tata Chemicals continues to grow from strength to strength.
Okay, absolutely, Hormaz. Tata Chemicals, if you just look at the kind of rally from its 52-week low, it's up around 45 odd %. So definitely sparking up, no pun intended there. But let's